Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Katkabza. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you for being a day one. If you're watching outside the box, what are you doing? Get inside of the box and join this beautiful family. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, so every time when I upload a new video you get a notification. This is an opening of a new vlog. Oh, my lighting is so bad, it's so bad. It's the opening of a new vlog. It's a Saturday, 17 June, and we're going to the Kamami. So we've been invited to two events today, so we don't want to disappoint, so we're gonna go to the other one first, and the other we have to go to two events in different places today. The commitment we made. I did my nails. They're so beautiful, I love those. It's screaming festive mode, it's screaming Christmas, it's screaming Bona Groovers month. And then on Thursday, today is Saturday, on Thursday I went to take out my tooth. Yeah. Today I'm better, but it wasn't that, so I didn't experience that. It was that tension that I have pulled out my teeth. It wasn't paining that much, like hectically. So, and I didn't even take what is that, painkillers for it, because it wasn't that hectic. So yeah, I took out my tooth, and I've been drinking smoothies, juices, and soft porridge. But today I started eating, and I'm gonna drink. It was 16 June. I didn't drink anything. I didn't go anywhere because I wanted to heal. So today I'm gonna have my drinks. I'm gonna have my beverages. And you know, when you vlog inside the car and people will be looking at you like you're crazy, I'm experiencing that now, but I don't care. Things you do for you guys. So I'm gonna show you my feet, and then yeah, I'll show you how my day goes about. See you on the flip side. Welcome back, Kitty. What is the date today? It's a Saturday, the 24th. It's in the morning, and I received my packages yesterday. I couldn't unwrap it because I was tired after work, and then we had visitors. So I said, okay, we will unwrap today.
I'll wait and unwrap with you guys. So let's see what is inside of this packages. Okay. Let's see what's inside. So I've got a lot of things to do today. I've got a lot of things to do. Okay, this is. Oh, I also ordered my kiddie stationery. So this is the cover books. The cover for these books. Because here in England we use the pink covers because every province has its color. So this is the soft green net that I bought from Takealot, but it seems so light. It's like a blanket. I saw in the reviews people complaining like it's too light. It seems like it's not a rug. So let's see. Takealot to make it with that cover. It seems like a blanket, we're telling the truth. And it's, you guys, but it's not. Yo, and then I want to fucking up there. Okay, I'll put it in the lunch. Let's make him a bed, daddy. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, most of the stuff here is stationery. First we've got this. It's a red pastel box pet. For the little one, we've got the abacus for concept because it was from the stationery list. We've got crayons. We've got plastic cover. We've got pencil case. It's supposed to be 4 crayons. This is the 4th one. We've got the finger paint. Okay, we've got the. How many are there? Is this? You can't see one. I thought it was 3 of them. Oh. Okay. We've got the paint brushes. We've got that flexible ruler for them because they are too young to break the rulers. So I thought this was 3 of them. Instead it's 1. Take a lot. I'll share this, guys. And then we've got the clay, the plain clay for him. Okay, this is mommy's stuff now. I finally got this professional hair straightener. I finally got this for my wigs, so I'm happy about this. I'll be trying it now. I've got the Goose Bond glue and the Goose Bond glue remover. It says extra large. I thought it was a bigger one, but this one looks like it looks like, what is this? The eye drops. So I got this. I'm also gonna be using it, and I got the wax stick also. Oh, like it I have was going to give my wigs diva on flick. So I also got this wax stick. Guys, I've been looking for this because this what is that, lash glues from the shops, they don't last. So I saw the reviews on Takealot about this lash glue. This is how it looks. focus. This doesn't want to focus. Okay. Okay, fine. This lash glue. This is how it looks. At least you've got this. So I'll be trying it also out, but I have to get lashes first, and then I got this the wig band for when I do my edges, so that I can lay my wedges so well. At least it's so stretchy. So yeah, I also got this one. Lastly, I got this. I got this mannequin head. It's so big. It comes with okay, let me open it for you. Okay, even if I could break the plastic, I don't need it anymore. It comes with a wig cap. It's 2 wig caps in here, and then it comes with, okay, this is the head. This is the head here. We've got the we've got the sticker. I'll install it now. We've got the wool if you want to sew your wig. We've got the pins to pin your wig to the mannequin, and we also have the needle for the wool. We've got 2 needles here. You've got the skew one and you've got the straight one. What's wrong with you, boo boo? You want attention? You're just grabbing mommy's attention. So there's no instruction came with this thing. I don't know how you put it, but it needs to stand. Okay, stands like this. Okay, I will try putting it together. Okay, like this. Okay, fine. Okay, this one. Does it go up? Okay, fine. Okay, where do you get it? How do you do this stuff? Yeah? No. Yeah? It's like this. 1, 2. Okay, where does the ball go? Okay, this is so difficult. Okay, I'll ask Buba to help me. So I also got some stuff. Let me put this stationery here. I'm gonna show you what I got for the video. Stationery. I need to get another. I don't use. Buba, what? Why are you fighting? This little one. I got from Takealot because I was comparing prices. This is the chair bag. We're doing the back to school now. This is the chair bag for you. I got split sticks like this guy. These things are so freaking expensive. This thing. I got split sticks for them. I got scissors. They needed 5 scissors. I got scissors. I got pencil rubbers. 2 of them. It's 4 because it's 2. I've got what is this? Sharpness. Yes, 4 of them also. Sharpness. They needed the 2 holes one, the silver ones, this ones, and 50 pages, 50 pockets, 5 flip files, and I've got and I got counter book for him. So I'm only left with buying I'm only left with buying reading books, and also they needed the hygiene hand wash, so I got him this one. And they also need tissues. So finishing up, I'm kind of done. So I just need to buy new school uniform and also the reading book. So let me put this one. Wait, I'm at So yeah, I will catch you later after I brother. Okay, let me put you up so I can talk to you guys. Okay, fine. I will see you later because I need to run a lot of errands today. I have to go to the mall. I have to go to the mall and get some few stuff for Christmas, and then I'm not gonna do my nails. I'll buy the stick-on nails so that I can look cute for Christmas. And I also need toilets. I've got a lot of things to do. And Rustenburg municipality, we woke up without water. Okay, I also need to do my lashes. I don't know if I should buy the stick-on lashes so that I can try the new glue, or should I do the lashes at the salon. I'm not sure because today I think it will be packed in most of the salons. So we'll see what I'll do. Okay, I'll buy the false lashes, and I'll buy the stick-on nails. So yeah, I'll see you after I bath. We're still waiting for water, so my time today is determined by water. Municipality, we pay water bills, but now we're suffering because of you guys, and now we have to wait for water so that you can go and run errands. Oh, I've been looking for this. I've been postponing. I've been putting it in my Takealot cart, and then I've been taking it off, taking it off. So I'll be doing my wigs. They've been looking so fine, boo. They've been looking so fine, child. So yeah, that's all about it, guys. I'll catch you after I bath, and I'll show you. I think I'm gonna take you along when I do my errands. So okay, fine. I'll see you guys.